Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact Zetlight model and that your phone supports the required app. This avoids firmware mismatches. Once done, make sure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band and you know the router password, because the light won't join 5 GHz. Power the fixture, watch for a steady power LED, and position the light within 3 to 5 meters of the router to maximize signal during setup. Open the official Zetlight app, grant location and local network permissions so the app can discover devices. Without those permissions, discovery fails. Start the add device flow, choose the 2.4 GHz SSID and type the Wi-Fi password exactly, because capitalization and symbols matter. When the app asks, put the lamp into pairing mode until the LED blinks. This blinking tells the lamp it's ready to receive credentials. Then tap Connect and let the app upload settings. After upload, wait for the app to show device added and then test on /off and color changes to confirm control. This verifies both communication and app mapping. If pairing fails, reboot the router and the lamp, re-enter the Wi-Fi password carefully and retry after 2 minutes. This clears temporary conflicts. If issues persist, perform a factory reset by holding the lamp button for 10 to 15 seconds, then redo the add flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.